Hi, this is Mr. Davis, and today we're going to read our chapter 2 of the ULS summer story about the amusement parks. And chapter 2 is about fast, slow, up, and down in the water. So we're going to have a lot of questions about water slides. Ooh, water slides would be great on today. It's like 90 degrees, it's going to have a heat index of 105. I would love to be in the water today. So once again, I'm going to ask myself, who's the main characters? Why are they in the water? What are they going to do? And where are they? So we know that they're at the water right now because of the picture, and the title helps us. And the who is the Kinder family. The Kinder family walks to the water rides. They change into their swimsuits and put on sunscreen. They see the water slides. They see people floating on tubes in the water. There are kids playing at the splash pond. I'm ready to ride the water slide, says Gwen. Remember, each person got to make their pick. Gwen picked the water slide. Ooh. Gwen, Ben, and Mr. Kinder climbed the stairs to get to the top of the water slide. These are a lot of stairs. The slide is very tall, says Gwen. We have to go up the stairs first, and then we can slide down, says Mr. Kinder. So they're climbing up the stairs. It's really tall. When Ben and Mr. Kinder reach the top of the stairs, they turn sliding down the water slide. At the bottom of the water slide, they splash into a pool of water. That was fun. We moved fast down the water slide. So, how did they move? They moved fast. And why did they splash? Because they were moving very fast. We moved fast down the water slide, says Gwen. I was a little scared, says Ben. I slid down too fast. So if I ask, how do you like it, Gwen? She's like, that was fun. We were going really fast. If I ask Ben, I was a little scared because I was going too fast. Ooh, now this seems a little. How about we try a ride that doesn't move fast? Says Mr. Kinder. Let's float on the relaxing river. They go to the entrance of the ride. Each person gets into a tube. They sit on top of the tubes and float in the water. So what do they need? They need the tubes. So they got their swimsuits on, they got their sunscreen on so they don't burn, and they are getting on an inner tube. And they're sitting on the top of the inner tubes and they're going to float down the river. And this one will not be scared because it says it is a relaxing river. Water will push our tubes in a big circle around the water rides. So, how are they going to ride? They're going to ride in a big circle. And how they're going to get there is the water is going to push their tubes. The water moves slowly. Speed is how fast or slow something moves. The speed of this ride is slower than the water slide. So, Ben shouldn't be scared. He's going to go around in a big circle. The water is going to go slowly, and the water is going to push the tubes. We moved fast down the water slide, but we are moving slowly in our tubes, says Gwen. You're right, says Mr. Kinder. People and objects can move at different speeds, like fast and slow. They can also move in different directions, like up and down and around. So when they went up, they climbed up the stairs, they went down the water slide, and they're moving around on the tube ride on the relaxing river. Gwen, Ben, and Mr. Kinder find Mrs. Kinder and Jen. Jen is playing at the splash pad. Look at the water, says Gwen. It pushes up out of the ground and then falls back down. The water is moving fast as it sprays up into the air, says Ben. So it's moving up fast and it's spraying when it gets up in the air. Water rides move people all around. People climb up water slides and move down them fast. People float in the tubes in the water. The tubes carry them around in a circle, says Mr. Kinder. Now let's look at our map and see where we will go. Our next stop is the roller coasters. Ooh, so Ben's going on the roller coasters next. Thank you for reading about the water slide, and we'll see you in our next chapter. Bye.